Lovely weekend for hang gliding in that sunshine, wasn't it? It was brilliant, but that's all the sport. But we're going to, find out more about the weather shortly, but a good one for hang gliding.
Absolutely, Lewis. Thank you very much. As you can see, Alexis joins us on the sofa this evening. Good news for many that the heat wave is over, but are we about to cop a drenching?
Yes, we are. Yes, the Environment Agency is having declared a drought across all of the south, apart from Dorset and Wiltshire. The rain will be needed everywhere, but much of that may be in the form of thunderstorms. As Chloe Brimacombe, a climate scientist from the Reading University, has been telling me, that could bring problems as well as relief.
Because it's being extremely dry, it will increase runoff and this will affect particularly low-lying areas.
Now, you've got some water in a cup. You're going to show us with this really dry ground that it doesn't sink in at all. Can you explain what you're doing?
So I'm going to put this cup on the ground, and then it's got water in it, and then if we remove this piece of plastic, and then if we just leave it there, as you can see, the water's not really soaking in, and then when we remove the cup, it will just stay on the ground surface, run off, and as you can see, this would collect in low-lying areas and wouldn't really sink in at all, which could be hazardous.
And now, should people prepare themselves, and how can they stay safe?
So how you can stay safe is don't approach any flood water. There's currents in there and it could wash you away or cars away. And if you know you live in a low-lying area, take valuable livestock or valuable items in your house upstairs, just to make sure that, you know, even if you don't have a flood, you just don't lose anything you wouldn't want to lose.
Now, at the nearest observation site to where we were there in Andover is Middle Wallet. Their average monthly rainfall for August is 57 millimetres. Now, the Met Office are predicting maybe up to 50 millimetres just for 2 or 3 hours following those thunderstorms. So a lot of rain in a very short period of time.
One extreme to the other, isn't it?
It is, yes. Should we look at the lovely weather pictures
yes, shall
today?
we? Something to make us smile.
Exactly. Ralph Peedle sent us this shot of the sunset last night in Leck Hampstead.
Yeah, Becca Collicott photographed the low water line of Abingdon Weir.
And Simon Trevor's captured the sunny spells from Calshot looking towards the Isle of Wight. Today we started to see some thunderstorms develop this evening, in fact, for parts of Hampshire over the South Downs. They are moving northeastwards into parts of Wiltshire as well. So there is a Met Office thunderstorm warning in force for the rest of today. Not only that, there's one through the day tomorrow and one through the day on Wednesday. Quite a cloudy scene captured by our weather watcher today, Leslie, in Weymouth in Dorset. So we did start to see that cloud increase in many places today. It was a warm and hot day in some places to start the day, but it will turn a little bit cooler over the next few days. The possibility of thunderstorms tomorrow, there will be fairly scattered showers becoming more frequent as we head through the course of tomorrow afternoon. 1 or 2 showers, thunderstorms dotted around this evening. They will eventually clear. We could see 1 or 2 dotted about by dawn, and it's quite a warm night to come. Temperatures will range between 15 and 17 degrees. Now, tomorrow we start the day with a good deal of cloud, a few showers here and there, a lot of dry weather. Then as we head through the latter part of the morning into the afternoon, those showers will start to become more frequent. They could be heavy and thundery with lightning, and temperatures tomorrow will peak at around 24 Celsius, so not as warm as today, feeling a little bit fresher with the showers rolling their way through. And those showers could merge together to form longer spells of rain, which is why there is that thunderstorm warning in force from the Met Office. Here's the coastal forecast tomorrow from Selseybill to Lyme Regis. The winds are variable 2 to 4. The sea state is smooth or slight, and the weather is thunderstorms. Thunderstorms tomorrow evening, merging together to form longer spells of rain, gradually clearing during the early hours of Wednesday morning, and lows of around 14 to 15 degrees, so another mild night to come. Looking ahead to Wednesday, there is another thunderstorm warning in force for much of the region. A good deal of cloud can be expected during the day. This area of low pressure bringing some showers up through the English Channel. They'll start to track their way northwards, mainly affecting southern coastal counties, but they could move further inland up towards parts of Berkshire and Oxfordshire and even Buckinghamshire as well. So the possibility of a few thundery showers through the course of Wednesday, merging together to form longer spells of rain. A dry day on Thursday, rain at first on Friday, and maybe some prolonged rain on Sunday. Ed.
Alexis, thank you. If your garden or your plants are looking a bit parched, then make sure you're with us tomorrow night, because we've got tips on how to save them and revive them. You'll make sure you want to join us for that at 6:30. That's it from us this evening. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely evening. Bye for now.
Good night.